Morning. Last year.
You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. So it's our last official day. We leave today for Nigeria, so it's about like 10 a.m. in the morning, and I'm not done packing. I feel so good this morning, and I'll tell you guys why very soon. But right now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have my swimwear because I couldn't swim last night because it was super duper cold. And yeah, I'm going to swim today. But hold on, I'll be back. I need to go and tell something. I was asked to tell her something. I leave today. Back to my country.
First time?
Yeah, first time in Mauritius.
Maybe next time.
If I have the money.
As a mom, the roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and
hey guys, good morning. And yeah, I'm about to tell you why I feel so good this morning. But before then, I'm going to be using my Mira Skincare Day Moisturizing Body Lotion with SPF 40 because I'm about to, go under the sun. So I just want to talk before I get carried away and film more content before we leave for the airport. Yeah, I just want to say thank you because the love I received on the video I put out 2 days ago really blew my mind, but in a good way. Yeah, I'm glad I shared that video because a lot of people could relate to it. Thank you for all your well wishes. Thank you so much for all your encouragement. I got a lot of messages from my supporters, from verified accounts, people I didn't know watch my videos, sent me so many messages just encouraging me to keep doing what I'm doing. And to be honest, it felt like a refill, like it felt like I'm being fueled up to keep creating and keep being like myself and just show you guys more parts of me that I don't get to show on camera. Thank you so much. Like, I think I need to move my glasses. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and support, and I'm not quitting. I'm going to keep creating. And yeah. So guys, I got this noodles. Let me show you. I got it like a few days ago. I thought I was going to cook it, but I ended up not cooking it. I'm taking this to Nigeria. Yeah, stay tuned. And yeah, I got this chocolate as well. Oh, it's upside. Okay, it's not upside down. You ready? So Emmy's ready. Are you going to do an ode to the force? What you wearing?
I swear.
Head to toe.
I swear.
Wow. Me, thank you so much. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to be showing you. Guys behind the scenes, like I always do. So let me put you guys somewhere. I'm at the airport and I just wrapped my boxes because I don't want to hear stories that touch. Yeah, I paid 200 rupees per bag, which is not bad. I'm going to be getting my makeup done. It is actually one of my best friend's wedding today. The lighting here is so much better. So as I was saying, today is like their white wedding, but it's called a dinner and it starts by 6 p.m. So it's like, I'm one of the bridesmaids and the time is 4:25 now and the event starts at 6. My transformation is still loading. Don't give up on me yet. I just have to, after doing my makeup, I will do my hair there as well, and then I'm off to the hotel to get dressed. I have my box here with me because I'm actually sleeping over at the apartment tonight. I was supposed to sleep over yesterday, but I just decided to go home. So tonight, because we're partying till like probably midnight, I'm not sure. Yeah, we get to stay at the hotel once we're done, so that's why I packed my stuff. I even came with my laptop and my chargers and all of that because I plan to edit tonight. Thank you so much for the love and support on my previous videos. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry my hand is shaking, yeah, but yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the studio.